Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's MamaDoesNailz, and yes, it's a charmed Madam Glam collab. Yes, I will be unboxing some PR that Madam Glam kindly sponsored, and yes, it's going to be from the Daddy's Girl collection that was released June 7th, 2019. But before we get into the story, can I just please have a moment to just wish Madam Glam a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, guys, let's get into this video. This collection was not only beautiful, it was also very, very special. Now, it says, are you your daddy's girl? Like, yes, I can say I was a daddy's girl. I say was because, yes, my father has passed away. But in June, when they were releasing this, I had no idea. No idea. I wasn't even into nails at this time. But my dad did have a birthday that June. He turned 69. So this collection was just absolutely perfect. As you can see, these are the beautiful colors, the 8 beautiful colors. Smart ox blood, funny orange, special pink, hero turquoise, kind salmon. I mean, that name just, like the names have meaning, and I'm going to go into it a bit more. Then we have honest sky, positive tomato, another one that really just got to me. Thoughtful blue, again, thoughtful blue, gentle coral, and proud nude. So that was the collection. That was the Daddy's Girl collection, and those were the 8 polishes, and they are all stunning, guys. Now I chose 4. You will see the 4 that I chose. Now you may be asking, why are we doing this? Why did I use an old collection? But there is a story. So as I said, this is a collab. My charmed sisters and I, we had a call, and on that call we were trying to decide how best to celebrate Madam Glam's 8th birthday. And we thought, why not look at the old collections and just see literally like what collection is calling to us and whether it had a meaning. And we all managed to find a meaning behind one of the collections that Madam Glam had no idea about. There was no way for them to know. So as I said, I chose the Father's Day collection, which was Daddy's Girl. And immediately I started to read it. I was like, yep, this is me. And it touched me. So as I said, I chose 4 colors, and these 4 colors I chose, they just pay homage to my dad. They remind me of my dad, and it's something that I think my dad would be like, yeah, I get that. So let's get into the unboxing, guys, and we will get into the colors that I chose, the 4 colors, because 4 isn't enough. I mean, I do want all 8. I think I will go back and get the rest of this collection, but having to choose 4 was so super hard. But then, as I said, I chose the 4 with my dad in mind. So let's get into this collection, guys, and we'll talk about these colors a bit more, so you can understand probably a bit more as to how I got to choosing this collection. Okay, so I chose gentle coral. Now, this color is just a beautiful orange to me, which is coral. And when I went to bury my dad back home, this colour, he had a colour like this in his house he built. And one thing that everyone actually said about my dad was that he was a gentle soul. Everyone says that about him. He couldn't even have, like, he can't keep a grudge. So it was really, really one I had to choose. The other one I chose was Special Pink. And I know everybody knows I love pink, but my dad was very special to me and I love pink. It just called to me. If there was a pink that I could wear that my dad would like, it would be this pink. He wouldn't like fuchsia or anything bright. This would be the kind of pink. The next one I chose was Honest Sky, which is a beautiful blue. And blue was my dad's favourite colour. And also, he was a very honest man. And I say that because my dad had an abundance of opportunities to become a politician in Sierra Leone, and he refused. He helped his friends, but he refused because he felt like that would make him dishonest. The last colour I chose was Positive Tomato. Now, tomato is a fruit or veg, a total debate for another day. But the positiveness of this is because my dad was a positive man. He made the best out of any situation. My dad there was always an alternative. So if something was wrong, if something was broken, he would just try to get it fixed. I cannot think of a negative moment. He's always positive. If you fail at something, he's there to tell you that, look, you can do this. So that's really the reasons for me as to why I chose these 4 colours, as well as the fact that, as I said, I'm a daddy's girl. I was the only one that my dad gave a nickname to. Now, I will reveal my nickname, my very special nickname, in the next video where I do a set. And that set will be to pay homage to my dad, because it was a Daddy's Day, Daddy's Girl collection. And also to pay homage to MADAMGLAM, because it was their 8th birthday. So this collab is special. It was already special because I was doing it with my sisters, but now this collection and everything that touched me behind it, I don't have to make it up. It was instantly, because this is my life. This is my, it's my reality. And I just want to take this time again to just thank you, MADAMGLAM. Thank you for listening to us. I know the whole, PR thing, but really and truly, this meant more than just that. It was very, very special, and I urge you to please go over to my other sisters' channels. I will link all their details in the description box, so you can go over there and, just listen to their story. Listen to the reasoning behind the collections that they chose, because it's special. I'm going to let you watch a bit more, and I will come back in and say goodbye. I just want to thank you for listening. I'm sharing a bit of myself with you, something that's personal to me, but it's authentic, because I had no idea about this collection and I was not even into nails. And there is so much in this collection that resonated with me and my dad and my relationship. So it was a definite must. I love you all. I'm going to come back in before the end and say goodbye. But thank you, and please enjoy the rest of the video.